Want to create Hollywood-style aerial animations without a drone? Google Earth Studio lets you fly anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to master the zoom, spiral, and orbit effects in minutes, plus how to render and export your final masterpiece. Let's dive in. First, head to earth.google.com, Charm Studio, and sign in with your Google account. If it's your first time, you'll need to request access, but approval usually takes just a day or two. Once you're in, click New Project, give it a name, and search for your location. Now let's jump into the fun part. Step 2. Zoom effect. Screen recording, setting up a zoom-in shot. The zoom effect is perfect for dramatic reveals. Here's how. 1. Position your view where you want to start, e.g., a wide city shot. 2. Click the Add Keyframe button or press K. 3. Move the timeline forward, zoom in, and add another keyframe. Show playback of smooth zoom transition. Pro tip, adjust the easing curve for smoother motion. Just drag the handles in the graph editor. Step 3, spiral effect. Screen recording, setting up a spiral. The spiral effect adds cinematic flair. Let's break it down. Point 1. Find your subject, e.g., a landmark. 2. Add a keyframe, then move forward in time. 3. Hold Shift plus Alt, or Option on Mac, and drag to rotate the view while zooming out slightly. 4. Add another keyframe. Watch the magic happen. Show example spiral around the Eiffel Tower. Tweak the rotation speed by spacing keyframes closer or farther apart. Step 4. Orbit effect. Screen recording, creating an orbit shot. The orbit effect circles around a point, great for 3D buildings. 1. Pick your target and add a keyframe. 2. Move forward, hold Alt or Option, and drag sideways to orbit. 3. Adjust altitude for a dynamic angle. Show orbit around a skyscraper. For extra polish, combine orbit with a slow zoom. Step 5. Rendering and exporting. Screen recording, render settings. Now let's export your masterpiece. 1. Now click Render and choose Resolution, 1080p or 4K. 2. Set frame rate, 24 or 30 fps for smooth motion. 3. Hit Start Render. This may take a few minutes. Boom! You just created pro-level animations in Google Earth Studio. Which effect was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more geeky tutorials. Want a deep dive on advanced techniques? Drop a comment. I might just make it. Until next time, happy flying!